Greetings, fellow financial adventurers. Welcome to our channel Snap Savings, your fortress of financial wisdom. What if I told you, by age 30, you could accumulate a net worth that not only secures your financial future, but also sets the stage for wealth creation? Imagine not having to worry about financial stability, confident in your monetary foundations. Today, we're delving into the concept of net worth by 30, discussing its significance and the factors that contribute to it, such as emergency savings, debt repayment, and investments. Are you intrigued? Good, because we're about to dive into the nitty-gritty of building your net worth. First off, let's clarify what net worth actually means. Picture it as a snapshot of your financial health. To calculate it, we subtract the total of what you owe, your liabilities, from the total of what you own, your assets. Assets can include everything from the cash in your bank account to the value of your home, while liabilities could be your mortgage, student loans, credit card debt, and so forth. Understanding your net worth is crucial because it paints a clear picture of where you stand financially. It's like a balance sheet for your personal finances, giving you a comprehensive view of your economic situation. A positive net worth indicates that you own more than you owe, a sign of good financial health. Conversely, a negative net worth means you owe more than you own, suggesting some financial challenges. So now that we understand what net worth is, how do we go about building it? Unexpected emergencies can wreak havoc on your finances. So, the first step towards building your net worth is setting up an emergency fund. Think of this fund as your financial safety net. It's there to catch you when life throws those unexpected curveballs. And trust me, it will. Be it a sudden job loss, an unforeseen medical expense, or a major car repair, life is full of surprises that can quickly drain your savings and inflate your liabilities. An emergency fund acts as a buffer, a protective layer that shields your other savings and investments from these sudden shocks. It's your personal insurance, ensuring that you don't need to dip into your hard-earned savings or worse, incur debt when these surprises occur. This fund is not about growing your wealth, it's about securing it. With an emergency fund in place, you're prepared to face financial surprises without jeopardizing your net worth. That can be a significant drain on your net worth. It's time to tackle it head-on. And how do we do that? Well, let's dive into it. Debt, especially high-interest debt, is like a leaky faucet that slowly drains your financial resources. The longer you take to repay it, the more it costs you, thanks to the power of compound interest. It's not just about the money you owe, it's also about the interest that keeps accumulating on that amount. So, how do we plug this leak? There are several strategies, but two of the most popular ones are the snowball and avalanche methods. The snowball method involves focusing on the smallest debt first while making minimum payments on the rest. Once that's paid off, you move on to the next smallest, and so on. It's like building a snowball, starting small and gradually getting bigger. This strategy is great for building momentum and keeping you motivated. On the other hand, the avalanche method focuses on the debt with the highest interest rate first. It's like tackling the biggest threat first, reducing the amount of interest you'll pay over time. Both methods have their merits, and the best one for you depends on your personal circumstances and financial goals. Remember, paying off debt isn't a sprint, it's a marathon. It takes time, patience, and persistence. But the payoff is worth it. By prioritizing debt repayment, you're taking a massive step towards increasing your net worth. And that's a step in the right direction towards financial freedom. Savings and investments are the building blocks of your net worth. This is not just a statement. It's a mantra to live by if you're seeking financial stability and growth. Let's start with savings. It's the cornerstone of financial security. Think of it as the safety net that cushions you during uncertain times. Now, saving is not about hoarding every penny and living a miserly life. Rather, it's about setting aside a reasonable portion of your income consistently. Some may save a tenth, others a quarter, but the key here is consistency. Now, let's turn our attention to the magic of compound interest. Albert Einstein once called it the eighth wonder of the world, and for a good reason. When you save, and your savings earn interest, and then that interest earns interest, that's compound interest. It's like a snowball rolling down a hill, growing larger with each roll. But just saving is not enough. Your money needs to work for you, and that's where investments come in. Investing is the art of putting your money into assets that have the potential to increase in value over time. It could be stocks, bonds, real estate, or even a startup business. Now, investing wisely is crucial. You've probably heard of the term diversification. It's a strategy that involves spreading your investments across various asset classes to minimize risk. It's like not putting all your eggs in one basket. Also, remember that investing is a long-term game. It's about patience and resilience. The stock market may fluctuate, real estate prices may dip, but history has shown that over the long term, these investments tend to rise. It's about riding out the storm and reaping the rewards when the sun shines again. In conclusion, the act of saving provides a financial foundation, while investing allows for growth and expansion. Together, they form a powerful strategy to increase your net worth. Remember, every dollar saved or invested is a step towards increasing your net worth. Your career and assets play a key role in building your net worth. This statement is as true as the rising sun. When it comes to career progression, the logic is simple. As you climb the corporate ladder or expand your business, your income increases. This, in turn, allows you to save more. Let's take a look at it from a different angle. Imagine you're a young professional in your early 20s, just starting out. Your income at this stage might only cover your basic needs with a little left over for savings. Fast forward a few years, you've gained experience, built a reputation, and perhaps even landed a promotion or two. Now, your income is significantly higher. You can comfortably meet your basic needs, repay any debts, and still have a substantial amount left for savings. This is the power of career progression. However, let's not forget about asset accumulation. It's another vital piece of the net worth puzzle. Assets, such as property, can substantially boost your net worth. Let's say you decide to invest in a piece of real estate. Over time, as the property appreciates in value, so does your net worth. It's like having a golden goose. Furthermore, assets aren't limited to real estate. They can be stocks, bonds, or even a business you own. The key idea is to have your money work for you. Instead of letting your money sit idle in a bank account, investing it in assets can create a cycle of wealth generation. In essence, career progression and asset accumulation go hand in hand in building your net worth. As you progress in your career and boost your income, you can invest in more assets. These assets, in turn, generate wealth, further increasing your net worth. Remember, building net worth is a marathon, not a sprint. It requires patience, diligence, and smart financial decisions. But with time and effort, you can build a net worth that not only provides financial security, but also opens the door to financial freedom. By focusing on career progression and asset accumulation, you're setting yourself up for a solid net worth. So, we've covered quite a bit today. Let's quickly recap. First, we delved into the concept of net worth, the sum of your assets minus your liabilities. It's a snapshot of your financial health, a yardstick to measure your financial progress. We emphasize that understanding your net worth is the first step towards financial stability and wealth creation. Next, we underscored the importance of building an emergency savings fund. Life is unpredictable, and having a safety net can prevent unexpected expenses from derailing your financial goals. Remember, an emergency fund is not a luxury, but a necessity. We then moved on to the topic of debt repayment. We stressed that while some debt is inevitable, it's crucial to manage it effectively. Prioritize paying off high-interest debts and strive for a zero or positive net worth. Your 30s are not the time to be weighed down by debt. Our conversation then steered towards savings and investments. The key takeaway here? Start early and invest wisely. Whether it's stocks, bonds, real estate, or a retirement fund, investing can help grow your wealth and secure your financial future. We also discussed the role of career progression in increasing your net worth. Remember, your earning potential is one of your greatest assets. So, invest in your skills, seek promotions, and don't shy away from negotiating your salary. Lastly, we highlighted the importance of asset accumulation. Your 30s are a great time to start building assets, whether it's buying a house or investing in a business. Remember, assets are the building blocks of your net worth. Throughout this journey, financial literacy and planning are your best allies. They empower you to make informed decisions and stay on top of your financial game. Building your net worth by age May 30th seemed daunting, but with these steps, you're well on your way to financial stability and wealth creation. So, what are you waiting for? Start building your net worth today.
If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more profound insights into mastering your financial journey.